Good morning, children. Today we are going to study maths, ICSE mathematics. Take out chapter 4, page 67. Page 67. 5. Open this page. Children, everyone, take out your school homework copy, pencil, eraser, and school diary also. Okay. 5. Write backward counting. Okay. A, B, C. Backward counting. 5. A. 8. Okay. 8. 2, 3, 4, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. B, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next C, 12. I draw first boxes. See here, small boxes. Okay. Now children, write backward counting. So backward counting is very important, you know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you know. Now backward means 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, backward 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So practice. Now I write here 8. 9 is not here, so 8. Okay, backward 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now 20. Same. Backward 10, 20, 19. You write 1 to attach 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Now 10. Okay, so 20 backward 19. 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. So I write here 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Okay. Next C. C question. C 12 backward 11, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 8, 7, 6, 5. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Okay, so practice. Okay, first practice 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 backward. It's very important. You practice and do this. Okay, next question 6. Arrange the given numbers in increasing order. Increasing order means, you know, children, smallest to biggest number. Okay, increasing order. 3 numbers is here. See, so 6. Question 6. Everyone, follow me. 6th question. A. 15, 17, 16, 8. Okay, so increasing order, small, big, bigger, biggest. Increasing order. B. I write here, question first I write here, 8, 20, 14, 18. Okay. C question, 11, 5, 0, 13. D. 19, 12, 14, 2. So children, 4 tips. Ordering order, small, so increasing is small to biggest number. So you write the number ordering. So first you see A. First you see single number 8. So I write first small number. Okay, 8 is small number. Then big number. See, ones is same. So first 15. 1, 5, 15. Big number. After then bigger, 1, 6 bigger, then last one biggest, 1, 7 biggest. So small, big, bigger, biggest. Okay, this is ascending order. Small, big, bigger, biggest. Now children, B, question B, see 8, 20, 14, 18. See here 8 is single number, means just once, 8 ones. So write first 8. See 1 tens, 1 tens, I underline. See 1 tens is 2 here, 14 and 18. So tens is same, but ones is different. So first you see small ones, so I write 14. Then I write 18, and last one 20 tens. Stepwise you write here. Okay, so small, big, bigger, biggest. So ascending order, smallest to biggest. Okay, now write, yes, 0, small number, small. So then 5 single number, 0, 5, then 11, 13, 11, 10, 11, 12, 13. So first you write 10, after 10, 13, after 10, 11, after 11, 12, after 12, 13. So 10, 13. Okay, it's clear. Then D, question D, see 19, 12, 14, 2. So see 2 is single number, so write first ones, 2 ones. Next see here tens. Tens is same, Now you check ones. Okay, once you tally. 2 is small number, so write first 12, after 14 last 19. So small, big, bigger, biggest. It's increasing order. Okay, it's clear. So practice question 6. Arrange the given number in increasing order. Okay. Now children, take out your diary, write your homework. Homework, chapter 4, page 67, 5, 9, 5, 6. So I hope everyone understood. 5, 6. So children, practice is very important. So backward 20 to 0 means 1 20 backward practice, and number name also practice. So I hope everyone practice maths in your home. So do it on your own. Okay, in your copy, school homework copy.